I'm going to show you how to create a plan using the MyProgress tab. MyProgress brings you to your degree audit. This lists your major. The student is a major in fashion studies, product development, and your GPA. It also shows your total credits earned. Your audit shows you all the classes you have left to complete at Columbia or have completed. If you scroll down, you'll see your degree requirements. Let's look at core requirements first. Everything in red means it still needs to be completed. Everything in green means it's completed or in progress. This student is a freshman, so not many courses completed. They need a communications class. Let's click the search bar to find a communications class. This lists all the courses counted as a communications. Let's select English 112 and click Add Course to Plan. Select the term, Spring 2026, and click Add Course to Plan. If I go back to the Progress tab and scroll down, I can find other courses the student needs. The student needs a science class. I'm going to click the search button and look for a specific science course. This brings me to all the sciences counted as a science or science with lab. I want to find a specific class, chemistry. Chem 115, Chemistry of Art, Textiles, and Dyes. I'm going to add the course to the plan. Select the term, Spring 2026, and add the course to the plan. Now I'm going to go back to the Progress tab and scroll down to see fashion classes. The fashion major is listed at the bottom. You'll see all the classes listed. Everything in red has not been completed. Green means in progress or completed. This student needs to complete FASH 102 Fashion Design Principles. I'm going to add course to the plan. Select Spring 2026, click Add Course to the Plan, and go back to the Progress tab. Now I'm going to go back to the Progress tab and see what other courses the student needs. They need FASH 130 Pattern Making and Construction 1. I'm going to click Add Course to the Plan, select Spring 2026, and add the course to the plan. Now I want to look at the course plan. You could look at Spring 2026 or Fall 2025. This is the current schedule of Fall 2025. You can see the weekly classes planned, the sections and times. If I go to Spring 2026, you'll see all the classes I just planned. If you click View Other Sections, you won't see any sections or days and times. This is because the course catalog is not live. It goes live November 3rd. At that time, you'll see the weekly calendar populate, and you can choose different sections. At the time of registration, you can choose the sections and click Registration, and it'll register you for all the classes in your plan. You can also go to Course Catalog and plan for future semesters. Again, this doesn't register you, but it'll plan out your semesters. Let's say I want to find a specific class. FASH 307, History of Fashion. It's only offered currently in the fall. If I search for FASH 307 and click the search bar, it'll take me directly to the class. History of Fashion in 100 Objects. I'm going to add the course to the plan, but I'm going to select Fall 2026 and add the course to my plan. If I go to Course Plan and now click Fall 2026, you'll see History of Fashion and another class I've added to my plan. You can keep adding courses to your future plans to plan out your 4 years at Columbia.